Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be coloring all these alphabets with different colors. Let us get started. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for goat. This is H. H for hat. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for monkey. This is N. N for nest. This is O. O for owl. This is P. P for pigeon. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for tiger. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for watermelon. This is X. X for Xmas. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you kids for coloring all these alphabets with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.